do my consent here. Okay. Been honestly trying to burn down a bunch of small workbook asks folks have had, so realized it made a kind of unified demo. Easy one was people wanted somebody asked for a shortcut for the collapse all is that god awful string there, which is Shift Command Option F. It actually is all really close, so it's not that bad. Or you can just toggle everything. Sorry for the length of it. We're running out of shortcuts. If you have a better idea for a shortcut for a better idea for a shortcut, let me know because but between the browser's shortcuts and our shortcuts, you get complicated. But anyway, you can do that now. Additionally, this Colin guy asked for an easier way to jump to edit topic. So there's a little guy hanging out here. If you're on a topic tab, edit topic will open it in the workbook. Go to definition, will jump to the model definition in the workbook model. So those two went in. Those are already live. Another thing we changed was if you save this query view now, you'll notice that it does not say Omni query here now. It says inventory item facts. So basically, rather than trying to use that default query name, we try to make up a name that's we think closer and will have less likelihood of colliding with other query views that already exist. Because when you do Omni query, people get collisions. We also, I'm not going to demo it because whatever, you'll find it someday. If you try to import a tab with an identical query view in it, we will actually stop you and say no, because basically you ended up with these crazy tabs like referencing the wrong query view. So we stop you and say, go fix your import before you do that. So some nice things there. I have more ideas for improving this later, but we'll come back. The other one, if you actually, sorry, I should have gone, so use this feature. If we go edit our topic here and I make a change like this, and then I try and switch out of the tab, it will warn me that I will not see those changes elsewhere. I can actually just ignore and keep moving around. They'll keep the changes. But if I completely close the window, I'll lose my changes. So just a warning there, and also an option to discard. So safety feature, and I'm going to ignore that actually. Another thing, I think it was on this view, I had better data. Nope. Yeah, this will work. Let's go to results. And I'm going to find a query that actually works for this. This will work.